are in the heavens. I mean, he's God who can do miracles and wonders, right? And he decided to, the way he created the heavens and the earth, and he uses the heavens and the earth to give a message to us who are his creation. And the wise men, there were three wise men who came from the east. They looked at the star, and the star showed them, that they understood that this is a message from God, that the star is going to lead them to the Savior. They were following the star, and they came to the place where Jesus was laid in a manger. And they saw him, and they brought gifts, and they worshiped God. They worshiped Jesus. So this is the message of the song, and they're going to perform on that. And let's all welcome the youth team onto the stage. Thank you.